Right guys, don't walk to Lidl, run to Lidl. Right, let's grab a basket and let's get to it. Right, first off, grab yourself some baby plum tomatoes at 99p. Also, you want to grab yourself some spinach. Next on the list, get yourself some smoked bacon, and that's down to £1.89. Also, you want to grab yourself a fresh British double cream. And finally, you want to grab yourself some gnocchi, £1.89. Lucy, cook me something up.
Easy.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy.
And I can't believe with the Lidl Plus app, we've got a free carrier bag, and this is reusable as well. How good's that? So anyway, I'm going to crack on, and I'm going to be starting off with cutting my bacon. And yeah, I'm just going to use my scissors. And they're going to go into a hot oil pan. Whilst the bacon's cooking away, I'm just going to cut my tomatoes up. And guys, why not press the follow button for more having real ideas? So now they go into the pan along with the bacon. I'm going to add some Italian seasoning. You can add any seasoning you like. Some garlic and some salt. And the spinach was not washed, and apparently it lasts longer if you don't wash it. So I've been washing this in the sink, so we're going to get this in as well. And I'm just going to mix all that up and get all the spinach wilted. And look how good that's looking. So only last thing to do is get the gnocchi in, because that only takes 2 minutes, and we're going to get the cream into here. Give it a good mix up and just wait for the gnocchi to be cooked in 2 minutes. That's cooking away beautifully and it smells divine. All that's left to do, get the gnocchi, sieve that, and I just think gnocchi is so easy to do. You can do it in the pan and boil it, or you could fry it off, totally up to you, and we're going to get that straight into the pan. That's why you need all the juices in the pan to coat all the gnocchi. So we're just going to now coat it all, and just be careful with the gnocchi as well. So that's ready to serve up now, and how nice would it have been with some garlic bread to, you know, serve up and get all those juices with it there in the garlic bread, or maybe some wedges you could have going on. Look at that. An absolutely massive portion of gnocchi, ham and veg.
And there you go guys, another savvy meal from Lucy Lou. Right, let's give this a try. Oh, look at that, absolutely gorgeous. Oh, it smells absolutely amazing as well. Let's give that a try.
And it was just over £6.
I love gnocchi.
Nicky Gnocchi no? And don't forget to download the Lidl Plus app and get yourself a free carrier bag. Delish.